السلام عليكم ومرحبا بكم في درسنا الجديد لهذا اليوم. Hello again and welcome to our YouTube channel Speak Arabic Fluently in a fun and easy way. In the last episode, you learned some verbs and how to form sentences using them. In this episode, we are going to learn about prepositions in Arabic. هل أنتم جاهزون؟ لنبدأ. Are you ready? Let's start. A preposition is a word that shows relation of one word to another. In Arabic, a preposition is called حرف الجر. Again, حرف الجر. And there are important rules that you need to know when you add preposition. Let's begin. The first one, a preposition is a word which connects two nouns or a verb and a noun to form a sentence. The second one is that a preposition always comes before a noun, but it does not come before a verb. And the last one is that the noun following the preposition is changed from a nominative case to a genitive case. This means that the last sound of the word is changed from ضمة or ضمتين, which means تنوين, to double the vowel sign, to كسرة or كسرتين, which means تنوين. The first preposition that we are going to take today is in, which means في. في. Let's take an example. البيت means the house in Arabic. If you added a preposition to it, it will become في البيت. في البيت, which means in the house. Notice that the last sound of the word changed from الضمة to الكسرة. And also the a of the L is not pronounced when a preposition comes before it. However, it is still written, so it becomes في البيت. Let's take another one. الكتاب في الحقيبة. الكتاب في الحقيبة, which translates to the book is in the bag. Now, for our second preposition for today is on, which means على. Again, على. Let's take an example. جلست على السرير. جلست على السرير, which translates to I sat on the bed. The third preposition for today is from, which means من. من. Let's take an example. عدت من الحديقة. عدت من الحديقة, which translates to I returned from the park. Our next preposition is to, which means إلى. إلى. Let's take an example. ذهب الولد إلى المدرسة. Again, ذهب الولد إلى المدرسة, which means the boy went to the school. Our next preposition is about, which means عن. عن. Let's take an example. تحدث المعلم عن الدرس. تحدث المعلم عن الدرس, which translates to the teacher spoke about the lesson. The next one is for, which means لي. لي. Let's take an example. هذا القلم لأخي. هذا القلم لأخي, which means this pen is for my brother. Our last preposition for today is بي. بي. And it has two meanings, with or by. Let's take examples. كتبت الدرس بالقلم. كتبت الدرس بالقلم, which means I wrote the lesson with the pen. Another one is ذهبت إلى المدرسة بالحافلة. ذهبت إلى المدرسة بالحافلة, which means I went to school by bus. Now it's time for the quiz. You will have to fill in the gaps using the appropriate preposition. The first one, ذهبت space المدرسة. عن, إلى, or على. Excellent, it's إلى. The second one, جلست space السرير. في, على, or من. Great job, it's على. And the last one, عدت space الحديقة. من, في, or عن. Great job, it's من. Good work. We reached the end of our episode today. In the next episode, we are going to learn the family in Arabic. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, drop it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and see you again. إلى اللقاء. Bye.